Do I like the orders for the pets who have passed away? This is not yes or no question. On one hand, these orders are always very, very interesting. There is no routine and there is no repetition. Each piece is unique. It is naturally created by owner's vision, and it makes this order more challenging and requires more my creativity and more my inner strength to capture every these small details that my client tries to explain me, and to reflect this real animal. On the other hand, this is love-hate category. It makes it almost impossible to ignore the owner's emotions, and the emotions are normally very strong because they have lost their friend, they have lost someone who was beloved, and it's not easy. And we are not just creating an object, we are touching the character of the pet and reliving some special moments of the life, and this really can be deeply emotional. I can't close myself and not to feel anything during these stories, and I actually have to open myself because people should feel themselves free also to express everything they have. And these stories, they stay with me. There's a big responsibility of these orders. I have to be careful with my questions, not to make the things worse. And of course, I understand that no matter how much I try, the pet I'm creating will never, this toy will never replace the real pet they have lost. But if it helps to the owner in his loss, then it's worth it. And usually I remember every detail of such orders. This year I've created 7 such toys. Frankly speaking, I'm not heavy, let's say it like this. When I'm getting such orders, I don't feel like yes. No, I'm more preparing myself. The clients themselves, I'm still in touch with some of them, and they are generally always very nice and very friendly. I don't know why, but all my clients are really friendly and ready to share, and they are absolutely nice people, and it makes me very happy to understand how many shiny, open and friendly people are living in the world.